how to delete your HMRC Gateway account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your gov.uk.com, and then from here what you're going to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on sign in and then add in all of the credentials, and then in here you'll need to select sign in to HMRC, right? So you can actually like create your new sign in details or log into gov.uk, or you can get the government gateway option too, right? So simply tap on continue and then add in all of the credentials and log into your account. Then from here you'll need to go to your manage account option, and then you can get into your account details. Simply access your account details, then you can unlink all enrolled tax services like your self-assessment or your PAYE, etc., right? So simply remove the services, then you can delete the gateway ID. You can select the delete government gateway ID and confirm deletion, and just like this you'll be able to delete your HMRC Gateway account permanently.